Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can change your relationship to certain foods. You know those foods that you kind of like too much? Normally it's cakes, chocolate, potato crisps, stuff like that. Things that aren't normally good for you. Most people don't have that relationship to salad on the whole. Those kind of foods, there's a technique you can do very, very quickly and easily. I'm going to talk you through it that will allow you to change your relationship to those foods forever, so you become ambivalent to them. So you have a clear choice whether you want them or not, rather than the compulsion or an urge or a craving. So what I'd like you to do, first of all, is think of a couple of things. First of all, choose your chosen food that you'd like to change your relationship to. Secondly, I'd like you to think about Christmas. Christmas time, what happens is people often bring you gifts, and one of the gifts they bring is chocolate. And when they bring you a big box of chocolate, you're like, oh great, and you have some chocolate. And then somebody else comes along with another box of chocolate. You go, okay, have some of that. When somebody comes with a third, fourth or fifth large box of chocolates, you get to a point where you go, you know what? I've just had enough, and if I eat that, I'll feel a bit not so good. We can utilize this skill. So I'm going to show you in a number of different ways. First of all, I'm going to show it as if I was doing it to myself. All you do is you think about your chosen food. So let's imagine it's a chocolate. You see the chocolate here in front of you. And then what you do is you make the chocolate get bigger. You make it larger, and as it gets larger, it starts to rush towards you and starts to flood over you and make you feel crowded out by it. Have it keep on coming, flowing towards you, chocolate after chocolate, getting huger and huger. And just by doing that, that will change how you feel about it. I'm going to do it in a couple of different directions so you'll see it. That was me doing it to myself. Now I'm going to do it as if you're watching this video. So you imagine the chocolate here in front of you, and as it comes towards you, it gets bigger and floods you. It gets faster and faster as one chocolate after the other comes racing towards you, and you feel yourself almost backing away from the screen because the chocolate is racing towards you and flooding you out. Notice how it feels. It changes that feeling of alluring, liking the chocolate to, you know what, I think I've just had enough. And that gives you a position where you can suddenly make a reasoned choice about it. Not an urge or a craving, just somewhere where you can kind of go, what do I really want here? So what I'd like you to do is try this out. You can practice this enough times to show yourself this video. Each time I do this, imagine the food coming towards you. Notice how that feels and see the changes that you can make, just like thousands of other people have done, in freeing themselves and being trapped into this fairly unpleasant and not very useful relationship with certain foods, and moving to one where you can make choices about what you eat, how often you eat it, and start to take care of yourself. So let me know how you get on. I'll be really fascinated to find out the changes you make.